Looking to trade crypto securely with low fees, great features, and a trusted exchange? In this video, I'll show you how to create your MEXC account step by step, set up security, complete identity verification, and deposit your first crypto, all using the latest update. I'll also explain why MEXC is one of the best crypto exchanges in the world right now. And remember, all official links for MEXC, forex, and crypto trading brokers are in the description below. Only use these links. Don't risk getting scammed. Why MEXC is the best. So why do millions of traders prefer MEXC? 0% spot trading fee for selected pairs. Over 1,500 crypto assets. High liquidity and fast transactions. Easy P2P card payments and fast KYC. No mandatory KYC to withdraw small funds. Powerful mobile and web trading platforms. It's fast, secure, and beginner-friendly. Step 1. Sign up process. Let's create your account. Click the official MEXC link in the description. This ensures you get your welcome bonus and avoid scam sites. Now click sign up. You can register using either your email or your mobile number. Create a strong password. Then accept the terms, MEXC user agreement, DEX Plus user agreement, and privacy policy, and tap register. You'll see registered successfully. If needed, MEXC also offers a quick password reset email, valid for 5 minutes. Step 2. Set up account security. Next, let's secure your account. Tap your profile icon, then go to Security Settings. MEXC recommends setting up two-factor authentication. You'll see Email Verification. Link your email to recover passwords and confirm withdrawals. Mobile Verification. Add your phone number to receive SMS verification codes. Google Authenticator. Download the app, scan your QR code or enter the key, and get your 6-digit login codes. Always store your recovery key safely. It protects your account if your phone is lost. Security level starts at low, but adding these layers increases protection. Step 3. KYC verification. Now let's verify your identity. Tap Identification, and you'll see two options: Primary KYC, Basic ID verification, Advanced KYC, for higher limits and more features, recommended. Select your issuing country. Choose your ID type: passport, ID card, driver's license, residence permit. Upload a clear, unedited photo of your document. No blur, no glare, no cropping. Only JPEG, PNG, JPEG under 5 megs are accepted. Now complete facial recognition by turning your head slowly as shown on screen. Once both steps are done, your KYC is under review.
Step 4. How to deposit funds. You're verified. Now it's time to deposit crypto. Tap Wallet, then tap Deposit Now. You'll see two options. I have crypto. Choose On-Chain Deposit. Select your token and network. Copy your wallet address. Paste it into your other platform and confirm the withdrawal. Wait for network confirmation. Your funds will appear in your MEXC wallet. I don't have crypto. Choose P2P trading to buy with 100+ payment methods, or use Quick Buy or Sell to pay with Visa, MasterCard, PayPal, or bank transfer. Fast, simple, and global friendly. And that's it. Your MEXC account is now fully set up, secured, and ready for trading. Make sure to click the official MEXC link in the description to register and receive your sign-up bonus. Also, explore the best forex and crypto brokers using the verified links below, trusted by thousands of traders. If this video helped you, drop a like, comment with your questions, and subscribe for more crypto guides and tutorials. Thanks for watching. Trade smart, stay secure, and welcome to MEXC.